Imagine if the biggest surprise in the camera world this year doesn't come from the usual giants like Sony, Canon, or Nikon. Instead, it could arrive from Leica, a company famous for doing things at its own pace. Leica has never been interested in chasing trends or releasing new models every year just to stay in the headlines. That's exactly why the latest rumors surrounding the Leica Q4 have captured so much attention. If even part of these reports turns out to be accurate, this camera could become one of the most exciting compact full-frame releases we've seen in years. One of the biggest talking points is the sensor. The current Leica Q3 already offers an impressive 60-megapixel full-frame sensor. So many photographers wondered where Leica could possibly go next. Recent leaks suggest the company may introduce a sensor with around 64 megapixels, while some more ambitious rumors even mention numbers approaching 100 megapixels. Those higher figures remain highly speculative, but the real story isn't simply about adding more resolution. A newer sensor generation usually brings improvements that photographers appreciate every single day, including better dynamic range, stronger shadow recovery, cleaner high ISO performance, and richer overall image quality. Combined with Leica's well-known color rendering, the Q4 could produce files that require very little editing before they're ready to share or print. Performance could also receive a significant boost thanks to an updated Maestro image processor. Handling extremely high-resolution files demands serious processing power, and a faster processor would help maintain smooth shooting speeds while improving overall responsiveness. Faster image processing, reduced buffering, and improved noise reduction could make the camera feel much quicker in real-world use, even when capturing large raw files. Autofocus has traditionally been one area where Leica hasn't always matched the speed of its competitors. That may finally be changing. According to several reports, the Q4 may feature an advanced autofocus system powered by intelligent subject recognition. Instead of simply locking onto faces, the camera could automatically recognize eyes, entire bodies, and even animals while continuously tracking movement. For street photographers, travel shooters, and documentary creators who often work in unpredictable environments, this kind of upgrade could dramatically improve the shooting experience. Rather than worrying about missed focus, photographers would be free to concentrate entirely on composition and timing. Another rumored improvement generating considerable excitement is stabilization. The Q series has always included optical image stabilization within its lens, but leaks now suggest Leica may finally introduce 5-axis in-body image stabilization. If that happens, both systems could work together to produce much steadier handheld images, especially in low-light conditions where slower shutter speeds are necessary. It would also benefit videographers by delivering smoother footage without requiring additional stabilizing equipment, making the camera even more versatile for hybrid creators. Although Leica has traditionally designed the Q series with photographers in mind, the rumored video upgrades indicate the company may be taking filmmaking much more seriously. Reports suggest support for 8K recording alongside 4K video at up to 60 frames per second. There is also speculation about the inclusion of L-log recording, providing greater flexibility for professional color grading during post-production. Combined with improved stabilization, these features could transform the Q4 into a surprisingly capable video camera while maintaining the compact form factor that defines the series. Of course, perhaps no topic has sparked more debate than the lens. The fixed 28mm Summilux lens has become the signature of the Leica Q lineup and remains one of the biggest reasons photographers choose the camera. Most leaks indicate Leica intends to keep this iconic focal length, preserving the identity that has made the series so popular. However, growing speculation suggests Leica could eventually introduce a dedicated 35mm version to satisfy photographers who prefer a slightly tighter perspective. While nothing has been confirmed, the ongoing discussion highlights just how passionate Leica users are about every design decision the company makes. Externally, don't expect a dramatic redesign. Leica is known for refining rather than reinventing its products, and the Q4 will likely continue that philosophy. The familiar minimalist styling, premium magnesium construction, and compact body are expected to remain, but with thoughtful improvements. Rumors point towards stronger weather sealing, a higher resolution electronic viewfinder, and even dual memory card slots, a feature many professionals have requested for years. These practical upgrades could make the camera more dependable for demanding assignments without sacrificing its elegant simplicity. Pricing is expected to land somewhere between $6,000 and $7,000, placing the Q4 firmly in the premium category. That figure will undoubtedly seem expensive to many buyers, but Leica has never positioned its cameras as budget-friendly alternatives. Instead, the company focuses on craftsmanship, reliability, and an enjoyable shooting experience that many owners believe justifies the investment over the long term. At the moment, every feature remains unofficial until Leica makes an announcement, so it's wise to treat these reports with cautious optimism. Still, if even half of the rumored upgrades become reality, the Leica Q4 could represent one of the biggest leaps the Q series has ever seen. With improved image quality, smarter autofocus, stronger stabilization, enhanced video capabilities, and refined ergonomics, it has the potential to raise the standard for what photographers should expect from a premium compact full-frame camera. The anticipation continues to build, and now all eyes are on Leica to reveal whether these exciting rumors will become reality.